once again. My name is Malika और मैं Digiool से हूँ। बच्चों, आज हम लोग क्या सीखेंगे? Today we will be learning about articles. What are articles? What words are articles? A and the. A, comma, and the are what? They are my articles. And when do we use articles? We generally use articles before what? We generally use articles before noun. Like a car, an orange, the Taj Mahal or the Himalayas. We will not say the running or eating and sleeping. We will not say that. Alright, we will use it generally before what? We will use it generally before the nouns or naming words. In certain sentences, it can be also used before an adjective, like he is a clever boy, she is a beautiful girl. So we do not use it before your verbs. We generally use it before nouns or we use it before adjectives, which continues with the noun. Now, A is an indefinite article. What do you mean by indefinite article? Because now if I say a tree, कुछ समझ में आया मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ? मैं कोई भी पेड़ के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ। कौन सा पेड़ है मैं स्पेसिफिक नहीं हूँ, मैंने बस बोला अ ट्री, अ बॉय, कौन बॉय है स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, सो इट इज इनडेफिनिट फॉर मी. अ बस, still not specific. A car, not specific either. So A is used before common nouns which are single in number. We will not say buses, books, trees, flowers. We will not say that. हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? A bus, a book, a tree, a cow, a school. हम लोग जब we are using only one word, then I will use the word A. Alright, when we are using one, when we are saying about singular things, then we use what? We use the word A. Now, when do I use the word an? An is used before common nouns again, but with the words which start with A, E, I, O, U. When do I use an? An is used before words which start with A, E, I, O, U. Alright, these are vowels. We all know what are vowels. We have 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. So, जो भी words इन 5 vowels से शुरू होता है, उनके आगे हम लोग लगाते हैं an. और remember करिए बच्चों, हम लोग A कब लगाते हैं? हम लोग A लगाते हैं जो words जो शुरू होते हैं consonant sound से. उन लोग vowel से शुरू नहीं होंगे. हम लोग ये नहीं बोलेंगे a egg, a orange, नहीं. हम लोग बोलेंगे an egg, an orange, an elephant, an ice cube. I will not use the word a with the vowels. And an again is also used with a singular form of words. Alright children, like an elephant, an aeroplane, an umbrella, an orange, an ink pot. Now, there are certain words children like hour. I will come in an hour. मैं 1 घंटा में वापस आ रहा हूँ. So what is the spelling of this hour? H-O-U-R-R. And if I say India is our country, so the spelling again is O-U-R-R. Now इसमें बच्चों hour जो होता है, जो शब्द है, या honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest या R, ये क्या honest हम लोग बोलते हैं? नहीं. या hour बोलते हैं? नहीं. हम लोग बोलते हैं R या honest. ठीक है बच्चों, हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? हम लोग बोलते हैं R या हम लोग कहते हैं honest. तो इसमें क्या होता है? इसमें कौन सा प्रोनाउंसिएशन आता है? इसमें कौन सा साउंड आता है? इसमें H का साउंड नहीं आता है, बट किसका साउंड आता है? R, honest. तो द वर्ड O का साउंड आता है. समझे बच्चों? वंस अगेन मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ. द वर्ड R किसका साउंड आता है? O का. द वर्ड honest किसका साउंड आता है? O का अगेन. The H out here is silent. So in this case, since the sound of O is coming toward, so I will say I'll come in an R. Yeah, he is an honest police officer. He is an honest boy. She is an honest girl. I will not say she is a honest girl. इसमें आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा जो शब्द में वॉवल साउंड आए उसके आगे हम लोग को एन लगाना पड़ता है. Alright बच्चों? Now let's do some exercises and let's revise the word a and again. Dash pot, a pot or an pot. A pot. Dash gun, a gun and gun. Since it is starting with G, so it is not a vowel, it is a consonant, so it will be a gun. Dash and मतलब चींटी. And किससे शुरू हो रहा है? Vowel से शुरू हो रहा है. तो vowel क्या है? And. So an and. Apple. Apple किससे शुरू हो रहा है? A E I O U vowel से शुरू हो रहा है या consonant sound से? तो हम लोग क्या लगाएंगे? A लगाएंगे या an लगाएंगे? We will use an. Dash egg. An egg. Again, why am I using an? Because it is starting with E. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. It is starting with a consonant, so I will use a flower. I will not use an. Cap. A cap or an cap. I will say a cap. It is not starting with vowel. Dash. A horse runs fast. A horse runs fast. So and नहीं लगाएंगे because horse है. horse नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं. horse. ह साउंड निकल रहा है. h का साउंड निकल रहा है. So इसमें हम a लगाएंगे. A horse runs fast. She has dash idea. A idea or an idea. She has an idea. He is dash honest police officer. A or an. Honest. Honest नहीं होगा pronunciation. क्या होगा pronunciation? Honest. So I will use an. He is an honest police officer. Now we have completed the indefinite articles which were a and an. Now we move to the definite articles. Means the. T-H-E. The. The is a definite article. When we use the, we are meaning to use something specific. जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात करें तब उस चीज के बारे में तब हम लोग उसके पहले the लगाएंगे. मतलब हमको वो पर्टिकुलर चीज के बारे में जब अपने बात कर रहे हैं then I use the word the. Like the is also used for countries, mountains, monuments, buildings, books, holy books, oceans, seas, canals, deserts, rivers, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Ravi, the Thar Desert, the Himalayas, the Telegraph, the Times of India, the Bible, the Quran, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, or famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, it's a beautiful monument, the Howrah Bridge, and the Victoria Memorial. So these are where we use the word the. Now let's see the example. The Ganga is a holy river. The Himalayas are what? The Himalayas are mountains. The is used before particular nouns. Sun shines in the sky. I will use the sun shines in the sky. क्योंकि पूरे दुनिया में तो सिर्फ एक ही सूरज है ना बच्चों? पूरे दुनिया में सिर्फ एक ही सूरज है, तो हम लोग उस स्पेसिफिक सूरज के बारे में बात करें. असन नहीं होगा. अगर मैं असन बोलूंगी तो इसका मतलब है बहुत सारे सन्स है, बट ऐसा तो नहीं है. यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ एक सन है. S-U-N sun. So I am meaning to that particular thing. So I will say the sun shines in the sky. The moon एक ही moon है और earth भी हमारा एक ही है. The moon revolves around the earth. इसीलिए see where am I using the and how am I using it. I am not using a moon. I am not using an earth out here. I will use the word the because यहाँ पे मैं specifically बात कर रही हूँ वही moon के बारे में, वही earth के बारे में. Now let's do some exercises with the definite article which is the. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. Dash river is full of water. The river is full of water. Dash moon is shining in dash sky. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? The moon होगा कि a moon होगा? यहाँ पे the moon होगा. The moon is shining in a sky. In the sky. Why the? Because sky तो हमारा पूरा एक ही है, कोई 10 skies तो नहीं है हमारे पास में. We have only one sky which covers the entire planet or the entire universe. So I'm meaning to that particular sky. So I will use the moon is shining in the sky. The Bhagavad Gita is a holy book. The Bhagavad Gita is a holy book. So Bhagavad Gita क्या है? वो एक किताब है जो it's a holy book for the Hindus. So I will use the word the here. Now let's do some next exercises to get a clear picture of how to use the words or articles like a, an and the. I want dash apple from that basket. मुझे apple चाहिए उस basket से. So क्या use करूँगी? I want an apple from that basket. मुझे वो apple चाहिए from that basket. Second, dash church on the corner is beautiful. Now should I use a or should I use the? And तो use नहीं करूँगी because it is starting with C or a consonant. I will use a church or the church. Think and say. ये मैं एक specific church के बारे में बात करी जो उस corner में है और बहुत सुंदर है. So I will use the word the church on the corner is beautiful. Third one. Miss Lynn wants dash car. Miss Lynn wants a car. Simple. I borrowed dash pencil from your box. I borrowed a pencil from your box. Dash train is late today. The train is late today. I'm talking about a specific train which is late today. A train is late today नहीं कहूँगी मैं आज. I will say the train is late today. India is dash beautiful country. India is a beautiful country. See children. यहाँ पे ने अभी तक हम लोग देख रहे थे कि a, an और the यूज हो रहा है noun के पहले. बट यहाँ पे तो beautiful आ जा रहा है. Beautiful country. Country is my noun. But beautiful is not noun. Beautiful is an adjective. So a will be used here. India is a beautiful country. Number 7. I bought an umbrella to go out in the rain. Umbrella है तो an use होगा. My daughter is learning to play violin at her school. My daughter is learning to play the violin at her school. Please give me a cake that is on the counter. I want a cake which is there on the counter. I lived in dash flat in that building. I lived उस building में एक flat में मैं रहती थी. Am I specifying कि वो flat है उसका वो number है? नहीं. मैं एक flat में रहती थी उस building में. So I will use I lived in a flat in that building. I will not say I lived in the flat in that building. नहीं. मैं एक specific indefinite के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. बस मैं ये बता दे रही हूँ specially और specifically कि मैं उस building के एक flat में रहती थी. So I will use the word a out here. Alright children. So with this we come to the end of the chapter articles a and the. Let's revise it again. A and an are indefinite articles. A is used before words which start with consonant. An is used before words which start with vowel. The is a definite article. When we are talking about something specific and special, we use the word the here. Once again children, thank you so much. Please go through it and revise. Thank you children.